I grew up singing karaoke, Filipino family, so...
Joy's been out to the Philippines many times touring. The voices that come out of the Philippines are incredible. Some of the best singers I've ever heard.
Hello. Hi, welcome to X Factor.
I'm Roel Ilaban, all the way from the Philippines.
That's just it. It's my first competition.
Oh, but
Good
correct
luck.
me if I'm wrong. In the Philippines, you've got a lot of karaoke's and...
Yes, we do.
Yeah?
In every birthday party.
Really? Should I be concerned?
I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine.
Why do you sound like that?
Best not to step up.
The raps. Look at these, dude, their outfits in this video are insane.
At sumali na din siya sa iba't ibang singing competition sa telebisyon.
I mean, you didn't just come here just to do a performance. You came here to win, right?
Sa episode na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang mga kagimbal-gimbal na reaksyon ng mga hurado. Sa mga makatindig balahibong performances ng mga kababayan natin sa iba't ibang international singing competition. Patotoo lamang na ang Pilipinas ay land of great singers. Bago tayo magpatuloy, siguraduhin nakasubscribe ka na at notification on para updated ka sa susunod pa nating mga proud Filipino Moments video.
Mrs. Z.
You speak in English?
Yes, I'm speaking in English.
Okay, welcome to the Voice of Bulgaria.
Yes, thank you very much.
Where do you come from?
I'm originally from the Philippines.
I mean, I got a Filipino mother, so we're doing karaoke every weekend.
There we go.
Kamusta mga ka-proud? Today's video episode ay pag-uusapan natin ang patuloy na pamamayagpag ng talentong Pilipino sa mga international singing competition.
Bravo!
Kung napabilib tayo ni Fiona sa The Voice Kids UK, kung saan nakutuban agad ni will.i.am na certified Filipino talent ang kanyang napapanood.
Are you Filipino?
Yeah, I'm Filipino.
I knew it!
At nagbiro pa nga ito na magtawag pa ng iba pang Filipino talent para sa susunod na season ng The Voice Kids UK.
Do you know any other awesome Filipino singers that you're gonna bring on the show next year?
Hey, you know, it's gonna be surprise. So.
Lalo naman niya tayong pinahanga sa kaniyang blind audition sa The Voice Kids Germany. Patunay lang na ang talentong Pinoy ay pasok sa panlasa ng buong mundo. Standing ovation at pinag-agawan ng mga coaches si Fiona. Salamat kabayan sa pagbabahagi mo ng talento sa Europa.
He wants you to have in the team.
Fiona, I'm really blown away. I was sitting there and I couldn't even move and couldn't even believe it that this huge voice coming out of a 15-year-old.
Malayo din ang inabot ni Fiona sa kompetisyon at patuloy kaming susuporta sa mga susunod mo pang performances sa buong mundo. Isa pang teen Filipina singing sensation talent na nagba-viral ngayon ay si Cristel. Pinabilib niya hindi lamang ang mga hurado, kundi ang buong madlang people na nanonood sa kanyang live audition sa Croatia Got Talent. Basta dugong Pinoy ang nananalaytay, siguradong talented yan ka-proud.
I think, is that normal? Yeah, she's very sweet and polite, and I'm very grateful that she's my child, and I'm very proud of her.
Historic Golden Buzzer nga ang natanggap ng ating proud Filipina singer sa Croatia's Got Talent. Ikaw ka-proud, ready mo na ang iyong singing piece. Baka sa ibang bansa ka ma-discover. Gora na sa audition! Isa pang kabayan natin ang nagpabilib sa Europa. Ito ay si Joy, na mula sa kanyang humble beginnings sa It's Showtime, Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Simula talaga ako kumanta sa school or at 7 years ago.
7 years old.
12 years old.
Ay sa tanghalan naman ng The Voice Germany siya nagpakitang gilas. All out papuri nga si Ronan Keating na ni-recognize ang talento ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa pag-awit.
Joy has been out to the Philippines many times touring. The voices that come out of the Philippines are incredible. Some of the best singers I've ever heard.
Siyempre, talent recognizes talent. Salamat dyan, Pinsang Ronan. At sa mga Pilipinong winawagayway ang ating talento sa buong mundo. Nakasuporta ang One Filipino TV at palalaganapin natin lalo ang inyong galing sa buong mundo.
I just wanna surprise people and give people a show and make them happy, touch a lot of people.
Simon, and who are you? We are the Urban Crew, Flash of the South from the Philippines. Amazing. What do? We are dancing and break dancing and acrobat.
Suki na nga si Simon Cowell pagdating sa talentong Pilipino. Pero syempre, sa bawat pagpapakitang gilas ng ating mga kababayan, tiyak na napapabilib nila ang mga hurado.
The Philippines. Your country should be so proud of all of you because you all are fantastic. I can't even describe it either because it was like, you guys are so good.
Siyempre, bukod sa pagpapakita ng individual na galing, meron talagang mas matinding motibasyon tayong mga Pilipino pagdating sa usiping pagre-representa ng bansa. Corny man para isipin ng iba pero ang mabigyan ng pagkakataon na maitaas ang ating watawat sa global stage ay isang malaking karangalan.
To be able to represent the country and to be able to get gold, it really means a lot to me and especially the team.
It feels great to give honor to the country. So sobrang we feel so honored to be here and we just want to make each and every Filipino proud.
On this show. We're so honored to perform here in Britain's Got Talent, the champion, because they are represent our country, Philippines, and we are so very excited to go to the finals. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. Philippines.
The Philippines. My name is Shadow Ace.
And where are you from?
I am from Philippines.
37 years old and I came from the Philippines.
Filipino Singers Talent Invasion naman sa X Factor Malta. Overload sa dami ng magagaling na mga Pinoy singers sa kanilang X Factor franchise.
My name is Richelle van der Merwe. I am 34 years old. I'm from the Philippines and I am a housewife. I grew up in a very poor family.
And I am currently living in Gezira. When I was in the Philippines, back in the Philippines, living and having my bachelor's degree.
I'm Roel Ilaban, all the way from the Philippines.
Hindi naman tayo ipinahiya ng ating mga kababayan. Dahil todo papuri at bilib ang mga judges sa ating talento.
Well done. Gianluca, can I call you Maclay? Because I think that's a really cool stage name.
At salamat sa mga kababayan nating.
And my dad died when I was 18 and I got pregnant very early. I was very young, so I was only like 17, 18 at that time.
Ipinapakita ang kanilang singing talent sa kabila ng mga balakid sa kanilang buhay.
This is what X Factor is all about. You blew us away. Thank you for taking the hassle, coming all the way to Malta, because it was all worth it.
Incredible range. It's like she's a young Ariana Grande.
Yan lamang naman ang komento ni John Legend sa young Pilipina talent na si Kaylee. Saan ba natuto kumanta si Kaylee? Alam na yan ka-proud.
Grew up singing karaoke, Filipino family, so I've been singing for my whole life.
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at siguraduhin nakasubscribe ka na at notification on para updated ka sa susunod pa nating Proud Filipino Moments videos. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!